Look at the candle today in gold. Monster move in gold. Now, let's rewind to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 to 9 days ago when gold was falling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 down days in a row in gold, right? The amount of people freaking out, and I even highlighted this early this week saying that this is how they flush you out before the big move comes in. But I still remember people freaking out. Oh my goodness, what's happening to gold? And in these game plans, and to my members, all I would say was, guys, look at the chart. Ignore emotion, ignore hype. What does the chart say? And just to rehash, guys, I mean, again, the channel right here, let's put the drawing tool on, channel right here, we were right there at the low end. You could see the high end perfectly right up here, okay? And you have these two trend lines down here, which if I zoom out a little bit, it gave us even additional support, right? So look at this. If we go out and we zoom out on the chart, so now we're zooming out. So we had this pivot right here, right there, all the way through here, right to here, and look at that right in there. So again, once again, if you let emotion take control and it flipped you out of a position, learn from it. That's all you can do. Learn from it. And I want to say this too, folks, in all sincerity. Early in my career, in my first multiple years of investing in trading, I would get whipped out like this all the time, all the time. And eventually I just learned. I learned to start trusting the charts. When you analyze the charts and you play it and you see that, well, when I follow these rules, I have a 70% chance of winning or better, eventually you just say, screw what my brain is thinking or my heart is thinking. That's just messing me up. Instead, let me just trust the charts. And it's hard to do. I get it. But ultimately, it does deliver a better return by trusting the charts. Doesn't guarantee wins. Nothing in life is guaranteed. We know that, especially profitable trades. 70% win rate, 30% chance you're still going to lose. 3 out of every 10. Okay, now the big thing on gold is this, guys. The big thing on gold is that we are now approaching, and yesterday we talked about minor resistance right here, and it actually pulled back. That was it. I mean, that's minor resistance for you. You got a one little candle pullback and then ripping to the upside. But now we're talking about having this level here, and now can we attack this? If you can break this through this, we are going back to the all-time highs on gold. And literally after this move, if we see yields come down, like I'm thinking, and we see the dollar fade, you should see new all-time highs by year end, or at least it's a very high probable scenario. Okay, now let me bring this up. This is a great question. So some people would say, wow, you know, I got scared out here on gold. I didn't rebuy. Should I buy now? No. Don't chase. Just don't do it. It is literally the cardinal sin of trading. People that chase, even if gold continues to go up, if you're someone that's going to buy up here, it means that on other trades you're going to do that. On Bitcoin, you're going to be buying in the 60,000 range. On all these other things, you're going to be buying oil at $93 a barrel before it collapsed down into the 80s here, right? So you have to train yourself to not chase. And now if gold pulls back to the scene of the crime here, right? We go to here, okay, there, then you can buy. Now you're not chasing. You're letting it pull back for, let's say, another move up. Now, I don't know if it will do that, but my point is that chasing can work in certain situations, but it trains you to do the wrong thing, which eventually will make you go broke. And so this is where discipline is so, so important. You buy at support. You don't buy after a mega run because everyone is saying, oh, look at this, it's going to go to the moon. That's where the hype takes over, and you can't follow and you can't get swayed by the hype. Really, really important lesson, guys. I can't even stress that enough. How, again, you have to be disciplined. Okay, so that's what we have here on the charts.